Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's listen to the story of the Great Forest Rescue. In a vibrant forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. There was Benny the bear, Ellie the elephant, Sammy the squirrel, and Tilly the turtle. Each of them had unique strengths, and they loved working together to solve problems. One day, a terrible storm hit the forest. The wind howled, and the rain poured down, causing a large tree to fall and block the river. The river was the main water source for all the animals, and without it, they would be in trouble. Benny, Ellie, Sammy, and Tilly knew they had to do something. They gathered together and came up with a plan to remove the fallen tree and restore the river's flow. Benny, with his great strength, tried to push the tree, but it was too heavy for him alone. Ellie, with her long trunk, tried to lift the tree, but it was too big for her to handle by herself. Sammy, with his quickness, ran around looking for a solution, but he couldn't move the tree either. Tilly, with her wisdom, suggested they all work together. Benny and Ellie positioned themselves on either side of the tree, while Sammy climbed on top to find the best spot to push. Tilly guided them, making sure they were all in the right place. With a mighty effort, they all pushed and lifted together. Slowly but surely, the tree began to move. After a lot of hard work, they finally managed to roll the tree away from the river. The water started flowing again, and the animals cheered with joy. They had saved the forest's water supply. The animals realized that by working together, they could achieve great things. They celebrated their success with a big feast, sharing stories and laughter. From that day on, they always remembered the power of teamwork and how it helped them overcome even the toughest challenges. Moral of the story: teamwork makes the dream work. By combining our strengths and working together, we can accomplish anything. Thank you. If you like this story and would love to listen to more such moral stories, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.